Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update SugarCRM workflow tasks for sales follow-ups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update SugarCRM workflow tasks for sales follow-ups, start by logging into your SugarCRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the workflow module from the main dashboard. In the workflow module, locate the specific workflow you wish to update. Click on that workflow to open its details. Review the existing tasks within the workflow to identify which tasks need modification. If you want to add a new task, look for the option to create or add a task. Select the appropriate action that corresponds to your follow-up strategy. Fill in the necessary details for the new task, such as task name, due date, and assigned user. Make sure to set the task priority to ensure it stands out. If you need to edit an existing task, click on it to open its settings. Modify any fields as needed, ensuring they align with your updated follow-up plan. After making your changes, save the updated task. If your workflow comprises multiple tasks, check the sequence to ensure everything flows logically. Once all modifications are complete, review the entire workflow for coherence. Finally, activate the updated workflow to ensure your sales team can utilize the changes effectively. Monitoring the performance of the updated tasks is essential for further optimization. Periodically revisit the workflow settings based on feedback and performance metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.